Hi everybody, this is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and today we've got the information on the astrological factors behind the trouble that the bulls on Wall Street have been having in the markets recently. You know, the markets have been in an extended uptrend, but U.S. equity prices have been down for 6 of the last 7 trading sessions, and it looks like a pullback is underway in the market environment. Here's what the picture looks like with the Standard & Poor's 500 index. We saw a market top coming in on the 19th, right after the big up day on the 18th of September, and the market has been down ever since, with the exception of Thursday, the 26th of September. It was a slight up day, sort of a midweek rally that we saw very, very briefly then. But the fact is that this market decline was not the result of the news events. It was not the result of any fundamental change in the market environment. It was not at all a random event. It was, in fact, the result of an astrological triple whammy. During that period of time, we had 3 astrological events coming in a row. On the 19th of September, there was a full moon. Of course, we get one of those every month, but that was unusual because on the following day, the planet Pluto made a direct station. It had been in retrograde motion for some months, and it stood still and changed direction in the sky. And then on Sunday, the 22nd of September, was the fall equinox. So this created a combination that helped bring the markets down. We had the full moon coming in on the 19th of September, and that was the date of the top and declining prices for that day. In fact, that day the S&P was down just by 0.1%, so it wasn't a big move down, but it got the ball rolling. The following day, on the 20th, we had the Pluto station come into play, and on that trading day, the S&P was down by another 0.72%, nearly 0.75% for that trading day. The fall equinox came in over the weekend on Sunday. For the first trading day of the week on the 23rd of September, we also saw a decline of an additional 0.47%. And of course, things have been down even farther since then as we closed out this recent trading week. Now, the important thing to understand about this is that we were able to identify the potential for this market decline more than a month ahead of time. Using the astrological tools, we can see what's coming before it happens in the markets in many, many cases, and that's what we call the astro-trading advantage. In fact, we share a webinar experience monthly with our Gold Plus Elite members here at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and here's what we said in late August during that monthly astro-trading webinar. We described this particular week of market action in this way. We said that the week of September 23rd to 27th, on the 22nd, we noted the fall equinox will focus the full moon and Pluto station energy, bringing a high potential for corrective market action getting underway. And of course, that's exactly what we saw on the 19th with that full moon as things began to sell off. Then on the 23rd, there was also a Mars-Apollon waning quintile, which accelerated the downside potential. On the 25th to 26th, we had some action by Venus, Uranus, the Sun, Neptune, and Mars, Hades, which added to the bearish energy, but there were some other factors at play which we said might dilute the impact, and in fact, on the 26th, we did get that one up day out of the last 7. We had 6 down days and 1 up day. So the overall outlook, we said that the bulls are likely to struggle in the face of increasing selling. And that's exactly what we have seen during this past 7 trading days in the markets. The bulls struggling to maintain a rally that seems to be weakening considerably. Now, you can also profit from the astro trading advantage as well. We encourage you to join our next monthly Astro Trading webinar. We have one at the end of each month outlining the forecast for the coming month, and you can get information on this at bit.ly/AT monthly. That's AT for Astro Trading, capital A, capital T, lowercase MONTHLY. Go there, join us, sign up for our next Astro Trading monthly webinar, and you'll be glad you did. This is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks so much for taking time to watch this video today.